Another one, another incredibly challenging week behind us, another month of uncertainty ahead. Here in New York, officials warn we are just days away from what they're calling a D-Day, when this pandemic will overwhelm hospitals. The governor is essentially threatening to seize vital medical equipment, the death toll nearly doubling in 3 days, close to 3,000 dead in New York State. Planes in hard-hit Los Angeles spelling it out in the sky: stay at home, save lives. But that's exactly what many residents in some states are not doing tonight. Their local leaders refusing to issue stay-at-home orders. Dr. Anthony Fauci says he does not understand why. Alex Perez leads us all with a look at the places in America where this pandemic may seem distant, but looms large nonetheless.
From New York,
stay home to the maximum extent possible,
to California.
We know what does work, and that's physical distancing. And we believe very strongly the stay-at-home order has helped advance our efforts in reducing the stress on the system.
And many places in between. A majority of states across the country have issued stay-at-home orders to help stop the spread of COVID-19. The measures have caused unprecedented harm to their economies, but those officials say the decision was made to protect life first. Not everyone, however, has made the same choice. Take a look. 9 states have no such orders in place. In many of those states, instead, a confusing mix of county and local restrictions and closures.
We know that the best thing we can do to minimize the economic impact and the duration of that, as well as the public health throughout the state, is to put a shelter-in-place mandate in place as soon as possible, because COVID-19 doesn't respect jurisdictional boundaries. It is spreading. It will continue to spread.
Salt Lake City Mayor Erin Mendenhall issued her own stay-at-home order after Utah Governor Gary Herbert only issued a softer directive. There have been more than 1,000 confirmed cases and at least 7 deaths in Utah.
We know that when we put in place a stay-at-home mandate, that more people follow it. Businesses put in place better protections for their customers and their employees, and it slows down the spread of this virus.
In Alabama, where there are more than 1,300 confirmed cases and at least 34 deaths, Governor Kay Ivey had declined to impose a stay-at-home order, only closing non-essential businesses and schools.
But y'all, we are not Louisiana, we are not New York State, we are not California, and right now is not the time to order people to shelter in place.
Ivey, who faced an avalanche of criticism on social media, late today finally issuing a stay-at-home order. And although President Trump has been reluctant to urge the states hesitant to issue a statewide mandate, all with Republican governors, to lock down, the nation's top medical expert on the pandemic believes every state should be implementing one.
But if you look at what's going on in this country, I just don't understand why we're not doing that. We really should be.
The concern tonight is that if they don't, they may later cause damage to those residents in states that have been staying at home.
They're all slapping us in the face, and people losing jobs to a tune that we've never seen before in this country are losing them, and it's because other people aren't cooperating. Pretty soon, what you're doing, if you're not complying with these rules as a state or as an individual, is hurting all of us, and it's time for it to stop. Enough is enough, and this state-by-state thing is killing me. I mean, we're the United States of America.
And Lindsay, medical experts say there's already some proof that in states where residents are closely following those stay-at-home orders, it's working, helping to slow down the spread of the virus. Here in Illinois and several other states, the order has already been extended until at least April 30th. Lindsay?
Our thanks to Alex Perez.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.